Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Daily Goodie Box. You know the drill with this one. This is a completely free box. There's no commitment required. All you have to do once you get a Daily Goodie Box is fill out some feedback after you try out all the products. Another little thing here is you're not going to get one every month. You'll go on to their site, which I'll link to below. You'll fill out some surveys that tell them about your family, your interests, your diet, all that stuff. And then when they have products that fit you'll get a box like this. There's like snacks usually. It's always organic stuff, which I think is really neat. Completely free again. I will link down below 2 Daily Goodie Box and each of the items in this box. I will also link to my reviewer page, which is like one of those things you guys always ask about. And that links to all the companies that I work with that offer free products, free boxes, whatever, in exchange for reviews. So, let's bust in here, baby. This is the July box. So right on top it says you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. So there's that. I was doing my makeup, so I have my hair just pulled. Okay. So right away I see some Oogie's Gourmet popcorn. So this is spicy nacho cheddar. We'll definitely be eating this myself. Second, we've got some Cal Natural Svelte banana cream protein shake. So this would be perfect for me for breakfast. It does have carbs, but I guess it's like a meal replacer. So that's cool. Here's why Svelte is special. 11 grams of organic protein, gluten-free, dairy-free, has your 20% of your daily fiber, only 6 grams of sugar, low glycemic, organic complex carbohydrates made with fresh organic soy milk, contains organic inulin, a prebiotic that provides fiber. Try all the flavors. So this is banana cream. All right, next we've got, what is this? Bakery on Main double chocolate. Oh, what is it though? Some sort of a bar. Guessing it's a chocolate like grain bar or something. 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 8 grams of sugar. So there's that. Ooh, some sugar-free gum. This is xylitol sweetened Glee gum in peppermint. It has 16 pieces. I love this kind of stuff. I love when I get gum because I always keep it in my car. And the sugar-free stuff is even better because it's obviously has no sugar. And xylitol is good for your teeth if you didn't know that. That's the truth. All right, next we have Sriracha Fix, the best hot sauce on earth. Get your fix. So these are little, oh my goodness, how cool is this? So these are little individual packets of Sriracha. 4, 5. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Sriracha is not a pepper. It's like a combination of peppers. So right here it says here, organic chili peppers, garlic, sea salt, cane sugar, rice vinegar. So this is, there's 5 of these. I've never heard of this brand. I'm actually really excited to try that. You guys know, we use a lot of hot sauce in my house. All right, what do we got here? A Tiger Balm pain relieving patch. I like to keep these when my back hurts. It occasionally happens. There are 2 included in this box. That's great. You can always use these. So roar back, and it shows people doing fitness stuff, and obviously that would be the most appealing reason to use one of these. Also lifting children and all that good stuff. All right, then we've got from Curoxen. This is their first aid ointment. Like it's like a Neosporin type antibiotic. You hear my cat is outside the door. She must hear that I'm in here and wants to come in. So there's that. And then on the bottom here, we just have some little papers. Here's the one about Glee gum, one about Neosporin and Curoxen. Oh, see, it gives Neosporin as like a, the name brand alternative. And then there's a coupon for Curoxen. And then there's one of these Party Detox from Herbal Zap. These are Ayurvedic, like teas. There's one for digestion, there's one for like hangovers, and there's one for your immunity. I have not tried the immunity. I'm actually curious about that one the most. So that is everything that I received in my Daily Goodie Box. Completely free, folks. Completely free. So if you're interested in them, I will link to them below. I'll also link to each of the companies in case you're interested in a particular product. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.